Happy Halloween! I am a tech news.
Oh! You're a dead ringer.
This is what we look like. Intel couldn't let Techtober pass without reminding everyone that they've got new processors coming out early next year. Did you forget? Don't forget, we're still relevant. Yep, yesterday Team Blue dropped some official details about their 11th gen Rocket Lake processors, including the fact that the desktop lineup's top tier models will max out at 8 cores. The most recent desktop flagships, the 10900K, has 10 cores, so while this seems like a downgrade, Intel says Rocket Lake's new architecture, dubbed Cypress Cove, the water's so blue there, will make up for the lower core count with much higher efficiency, clock speeds, and support for AVX 512, which will boost the performance of large workload applications like deep learning and 3D rendering. Rocket Lake will also come with Intel's fancy new Z graphics on board. Z graphics, XE, Y companies. But will it really be the graphics you want to have? We don't know. We'll see in Q1 because that's when these chips are coming out. Did you forget? Please don't forget.
Oh, when?
NVIDIA released the RTX 3070 in the arms of consumers yesterday. And when I say consumers, I mean those people with time to sit at computers and refresh 50 tabs to try to get one. Yep, while the 3070 launch appeared to go a bit smoother than the 3080 and 3090s, units still sold out basically everywhere in a matter of hours. Not seconds, but hours. It's almost like the 2-week delay wasn't actually to make sure that there was enough stock to go around, but was instead intended to detract from AMD's Radeon event or something like that. I know nothing about that.
You got it.
Move over, Sherlock. This is Techlinked.
You're so smart.
If you really want that RTX 3070 shopping experience, you can visit GPU vendor Galax's virtual online store, where you can take a look at 3D models of the RTX 3070 that you won't be able to buy for quite a while. So there's also boxes for the unannounced RTX 3060 there. Very exhilarating. My weekend is planned.
I'm going there in VR.
Oh, and if anyone but an Apple authorized repair person tries to replace the camera in the iPhone 12, it'll break. That's according to iFixit and multiple repair technicians and right to repair advocates who say it's not clear whether the flaw is a bug or intentional. After swapping cameras between two iPhone 12s, the camera will appear to work normally, but after a short time will begin to glitch, will refuse to switch to the ultra-wide lens, and will occasionally become completely unresponsive. Of course, this isn't completely surprising, as Apple has never wanted its users to repair iOS devices on their own, but it comes after Apple gave some third-party repair shops official support, and it makes even more sense in light of Apple's recent financial numbers, which reiterated that iPhone sales are one of the company's biggest cash cows, which they need right now because Xiaomi ships more phones than them. Boom! Oh, Apple, when will you learn to make money by offering free services that actually collect user data and sell it onto advertisers like a normal company, you silly goose?
Grow up.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait a second.
Now it's time for the quick bits, brought to you by Vincero, provider of classy timepieces that look good no matter what your budget or size of arm. Vincero puts in the work to craft watches that you can wear every day, and they just released 4 brand new collections. There's the Icon, an automatic movement watch, the Outsider for rugged explorers, the Apex, a sleek race watch, and the limited edition Marble Automatic. Only 600 of these are being made, and they'll be gone for good once they're gone. For good. Vincero offers 30-day returns and guarantees your watch for 2 years. So use our link in the description to get 15% off your entire order. The whole thing, plus free shipping. 100% off the shipping. Vincero! A quick bits! Netflix has raised the monthly price of their standard and premium plans from $12.99 and $15.99 US to $13.99 and $17.99 US, respectively. The move is ostensibly designed to provide Netflix more revenue, to make more and less good original content. Seriously, can you guys just take the funding for 3 or 4 of these horrible reality TV shows and just make like Blade Runner?
Yeah!
Come
on.
Altered Carbon. Well, the first 4 episodes of Altered Carbon.
That's true.
Google is including a free Android VPN with the 2 terabyte tier in its Google One cloud storage subscription. Eligible users will also get access to pro sessions where they can learn about VPNs from Google experts. Hopefully, it's good. One of the main appeals of using a VPN is protecting yourself from data tracking, so I'm sure using one designed by the data aggregation company is a great idea.
Is that sarcastic?
Speaking of people who track you, advertising companies and publishers have filed a legal complaint against Apple in France in regards to a new iOS 14 feature that allows users to block an app's permission to track them across other apps on the web. The advertisers say this feature will lead most users to decline being tracked, which will lead to the advertisers losing revenue. After rolling out the beta for full self-driving in some of its cars, Tesla has increased the price of the autonomous driving package from $8,000 US to $10,000. Although I'm not sure the footage of beta testers trying the technology out is a particularly gleaming endorsement of the feature, which is at times equally impressive and whoa, geez, that was close.
Whoa! Come on! I'm walking here!
Set that sentence up like I was gonna say another part of it, but there's no more. Yeah. And here's some Gamelinked for you. Spider-Man Miles Morales is getting a skin that both looks and moves like a suit from Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, complete with a stop-motion-y lower frame rate. This is sick!
Yeah.
What?
It is.
What isn't so sick is the news that Ubisoft has delayed Far Cry 6 into the far future. The new year. Wait, that's actually fine because nobody cares. Give me more Spider-Man! I don't care enough to continue this episode, so come back on Monday for more tech news. Linus will probably care more.
Maybe.
He's a Monday guy.